Yes. Good day, good day, good day. It's a Friday. It's a CPI day. So basically, we're just gonna track how CPI played out. Like we say, this is an inflation report, as it had to be released today, and it's almost out. It's almost out. Yes. So it came out at around 3:30 South African time. You can see the inflation came out pretty negative. What does it signify to the dollar? It signifies a weak dollar. So you can see CPI month over month came out negative 0.1, surpassing the forecast, which is 0.0%. No, it came below. Not it didn't surpass. It came below the forecast. It came below. Yes. So the core CPI is the one which came unchanged, stable. CPI month over month negative. Year over year is negative. Literally, we had a negative report in general. So the dollar index had to do what? Had to drop. Let's go to the dollar index. This is the dollar index. This is the setup I had. Though I was waiting to see that it pierces through this minor demand, takes liquidity towards the extreme demand before we look for buys. So I'm still looking for long setups on DXY, but this is now the CPI move. Yes. So basically, I wouldn't love, I don't think that I'll be buying from this decision demand. Yeah, this is decision actually. It doesn't give me a nice what confluence, like, because below we having liquidity, so this could act as inducement. So I would literally wait for price at least to take out this demand. Yeah, in the long run, this demand has to be taken out to see that price taps this area of demand. Maybe next week. Yes. Yeah. So when we go to GBP USD, this the pairs I normally trade. GBP USD, I had my areas of supply. You can see I had my decision. This is decision OB. This is now extreme. Basically, just same like DXY. You could see this supply. I don't think maybe I would just take sales on this supply unless maybe I get further confirmations. But yeah, since CPI came out negative for the dollar, so we had to see GU buying, EU buying, yes, and other pairs which are against the dollar. Yeah, they were buying. So this is what I have on GU. GU precisely, we're waiting to see what might happen. But you can see the reactions within this fair value gap. I don't know, but I think price can literally still continue to the order block to see that we can take some sales. If it doesn't continue at the order block, we can find lower time frame confirmation within this fair value gap. So yeah, it has been a negative day for the dollar. As you could see, this pair has been buying, and Euro USD also. Euro USD, exactly, we had this OB. This OB is just a minor OB, a minor OB. My goodness, you can see we have liquidity above. This is liquidity above. Yes, this is literally liquidity above. So basically, taking a short here, no, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that because we still have this liquidity, and basically this area of supply, this order block, might act as inducement. So price is likely also to continue to sell off this extreme area of supply. So this is what I'm looking forward on Euro, GB, Euro, USD. This supply might act as inducement. So in the long run, I'll be watching this next week because today, hey, by the way, today I lost $100. just encountered. I took some trades. It was a counter trend. Yo, my goodness. It just chopped my $100 so fast. It was on GU. Yeah, last night. So basically didn't play as expected. It first manipulated me a little bit. Then it wiped out the $100. But nevertheless, yeah, we're looking forward to trade for the coming week. Yes. So this is what I had for today. Yeah. Next week, we shall continue to look for sell setups on EU and GU, and on DXY as an indicator which shows us the movement of these currencies. We're gonna continue to look for areas where we could possibly buy from. So this is my DXY. Yeah, this is the outlook of DXY. Coming weeks, I'll be waiting for this area of supply. Demand. Actually, we're talking about demand, not supply this time. Yes. So have a nice day, nice weekend. See you next week. Ciao.